Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening, all of you. Yesterday, Pythagoras theorem. Good evening, all. Yesterday, Pythagoras theorem గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. సో triangles three types: right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle. ఈ triangle లో right angle triangle, if it is right angle triangle ABC, what is the rule for right angle triangle? AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Acute angle triangle rule, right angle triangle rule. Now, if it is acute angle triangle, that means in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to acute. What is the rule? In triangle ABC, angle B is obtuse. Angle B is obtuse. Then what is the rule? What is the condition? Okay. Now, right angle triangle నుంచి బేస్ చేసుకుని దట్ ఈస్ పైథాగరస్ థియరం ప్రూఫ్ చేసామండి. acute angle triangle కి రూల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. obtuse angle triangle కి రూల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే. Now, in triangle ABC, angle B is acute. Suppose this is the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is acute. Now, I can construct AD perpendicular to BC. Construct AD perpendicular to BC. Now, from right angle triangle ABC, this is right angle at D. I can construct AD perpendicular to BC. Now, from right angle triangle ADC, AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Yes or no? Already Pythagoras theorem given. AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Now, AD square means AD square. What is DC? DC in terms of BD. What is DC? DC equal to BC minus BD. BC minus BD whole square. DC is nothing but BC minus BD. So BC minus BD whole square to whole square. Now AD square plus A minus B whole square. I can expand. A square plus B square minus 2AB minus 2BC into BD. Minus 2BC into BD. That is AC square. Now, AC square is equal to AD square plus BD square equal to how much? AD square plus BD square equal to AB square, you know. Here it is ADB is also a right angle triangle. ADB is also a right angle triangle. AD square plus BD square equal to AB square. I can write AB square in the place of AD and AD square plus BD square. Plus BC square means BC square minus 2BC into BD. So, in triangle ABC, angle B is acute. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. So this is the condition if triangle is acute angle triangle, if the triangle is acute angle triangle, angle B is acute, angle B is acute, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BD into BC. This is the rule for acute angle triangle. So, for example, I can write here in triangle ABC, angle B is acute. Angle B is acute. Now, what is the rule? Acute angle का opposite करना side AC square AC square is equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides AB square plus BC square. Then additional ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే అక్కడ acute angle కి opposite ఉన్న side ని AC అన్నాం, that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square అని రాస్తాం. అడిషనల్ ఇంకేం కనబడుతుంది అక్కడ minus 2BC into BD. అంటే acute angle నుంచి vertex కి, acute angle నుంచి perpendicular కి. అంటే ఇక్కడ perpendicular డ్రా చేస్తే acute నుంచి perpendicular, acute నుంచి perpendicular, acute నుంచి vertex. So minus 2BC into BD. This is the rule for acute angle triangle. Yes? Yes, ma'am. No. In triangle ABC, angle B is acute. Acute angle opposite to the side is square equal to sum of squares of remaining two sides minus acute నుంచి perpendicular, acute నుంచి vertex. Okay, right? Yes. This is the rule for acute angle triangle. Now, what is the rule for obtuse angle triangle? What is the rule for obtuse angle triangle? Now, here in triangle ABC, angle B is obtuse. Here ABC, angle B is obtuse. Now I can draw a perpendicular through A. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఒక perpendicular డ్రా చేస్తే obtuse angle కాబట్టి altitude అవుట్ సైడ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందండి. ఈ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ దీన్ని ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఈజ్ పర్పెండిక్యులర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ D. అంటే AD altitude of triangle ABC is outside if angle B is obtuse. Now from right angle triangle, here ADC is a right angle triangle, no? It is obtuse. ADC is a right angle triangle. We know that from right angle triangle ADC, AC square equal to now from right angle triangle ADC, AC square equal to how much? AD square plus BC square. Yes, ma'am. Here AD is the construction. In terms of the result, ABC lo represent అవ్వాలి. Now AD square plus DC square. What is DC? DC is nothing but BD plus BC. Here AD square plus DC means BD plus BC. DC BD plus BC. Square means whole square. Now AD square plus A plus B whole square means BD. A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB, 2BD into BC. Yes. Now AD plus BD, AD square plus BD square equal to how much? AD square plus BD square equal to ADB is a right angle triangle, no? AD square plus BD square equal to AB square. Now AB square plus BC square to BC square. ఈ టూ ప్లేసెస్ లో ఈ రెండింటిని కన్సిడర్ చేసి ఈ AD square plus BD square plus ఏం రాస్తాము? AB square రాస్తాము. Here BC square. BC square plus 2BC into 2BD into BC. Yes sir. So this is the, therefore AC square equal to AB square plus BC square plus 2BC into BD. It is the rule for obtuse angle triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is obtuse, angle B is obtuse, obtuse angle is opposite from side. AC square equal to sum of squares of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. Additional gain కనపడుతుందండి plus 2BC into BD. Yes. ఇదే అంతకుముందు మనం in triangle ABC, angle B is acute అయితే ఏం రాసాం? acute అయితే ఏం చేస్తాం? పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డ్రా చేస్తాం. ఇదే రూలు, ఇదే acute angle triangle కి AC square equal to AB square plus BC square minus 2BC into BD. This is acute angle triangle rule. It is obtuse angle triangle rule. Yes, understood. So in triangle ABC, angle B is a right angle. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Already proved. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is acute. B is acute. What is the rule? Acute angle के opposite करना side. Square equal to sum of squares of other two sides. Sum of squares of other two sides minus acute నుంచి perpendicular distance, acute నుంచి vertex minus 2BC into BD. Under if and triangle ABC angle B is obtuse, obtuse angle opposite to the side. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square, AB square plus BC square plus obtuse కాబట్టి plus, acute అయితే minus, obtuse కాబట్టి plus 2BD into obtuse నుంచి perpendicular distance, obtuse నుంచి vertex plus 2BD into BC plus 2BD into BC or BC into BD, whatever may. These are the obtuse angle triangle rule, acute angle triangle rule. Understood? Thank you.